Okay, so welcome to this video. Today we'll be looking at the 2025 January intake final exam. Okay, so this is a very nice paper. By the end of this paper, you should be ready for your exam. Okay, so this paper had two sections. Okay, there's section A with 50 multiple choice questions, and then there's section B with 5 structured questions. So we are going to answer all the questions that you see here. Okay, starting from here, you can see 50 multiple choice questions. We're going to answer all of them, explaining step by step how to answer these questions. They are not hard, okay? They're very simple, believe me, you. So we are going to go over all these questions, okay? So that we can just be prepared for like that. Okay, once we are done, we are going to go to section B. And section B, again, we are going to do justice. We're going to explain each and every question there, step by step. Okay, so all these questions here will be explained in a very nice, organized manner. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's begin from question 1 in section A. Okay, so question 1 says, which orbital below fits the following description? So n is equals to 2 and L is equals to 1 with 1 electron. Okay, so what you have to know here is that the n represents the principal quantum number, which gives the main energy level. Okay, and then this L here represents the angular momentum quantum number, which gives the shape of the subshell. Okay, so now depending on the value of L, we have specific subshells. So when the L is equals to 0, then we have the S. When the L is equals to 1, then we have the P. When the L is equals to 2, then we have the what? The D. So here n is equals to 2, so I write 2. And then the L is equals to 1, so that is P. And then with 1 electron, 1. So the answer there is B. Okay. Question 2, they're saying transition lines in hydrogen from a higher n, okay, or a higher principal quantum number to n is equals to 1 results in which series? Okay, so we covered this in the tutorial sheets in full. So depending on the destination, okay, of your transition, you're going to form a certain series. Okay, so if you're coming from whatever n you're coming from and your final n, okay, I'll write it n final. Your final n is 1. Then the series that you are going to have are what we call as the Lehman series. Okay, if you're coming from whatever n and then your final n is n2, what you're going to have is the Balmer series. If you're coming from n all the way to nf3, then what you're going to have is what we call as the Paston. Okay, and then if you're coming from n and then you reach, let's say, final is 6, okay, that's when you have the Humphreys series. Okay, but for you guys, I think the first 3 are the ones that mostly comes, okay? So depending on the final destination. So in this question, they're saying the final destination is 1, okay? From a higher principal quantum number to 1. So what series is that? It's the Lehman series. But now, when you look at the options here, there's no Lehman series. So the answer here is none of the above. So you choose D as the perfect answer there. Okay, question number 3. Which orbital designation is incorrect? Which orbital designation is incorrect? Okay, so we know that if n is equals to 2, then the angular momentum quantum number, L, moves from 0 to 1 all the way to n minus 1. So if my n is 2, then for the errors, I'm just going to have 0 and 1. Because this one here will be my 2 minus 1, which is the n minus 1. And now if my L is 0, I get S. If my L is 1, I get P. So for 2, I can have 2S and I can also have 2P. Okay, but 2D will never exist because here the L can never be what? Can never be 2. So the one which is incorrect here is the D. So we did a full lesson, okay, on the quantum numbers. The full topic video is there on the website. You can just go to the folder for the topics. You are going to find it. Question number 4 says, what is V in this expression here? Energy is equals to HV. So this one here is, in fact, this here is not read as V. It is read as nu. Okay, so it's a Greek letter which is read as nu, and this nu guy here represents the frequency. Okay, so don't say how it represents the speed or the velocity. They're going to kill you. Oh, no, they're going to mark you wrong. Sorry. Okay, so here it will be frequency. Question number 5, choose the correct statement about the equilibrium. Okay, so we know that at equilibrium, then the concentration of the reactants and the product should remain constant. So the answer is C, no wasting time. Which of the following are included in the equilibrium expressions? Okay, we know that pure solids, pure liquids should not be there. So here, pure liquid, no. Gases, pure, no. Pure, no. So here the answer is none of the above. Okay. All right, so thank you so much for watching that video. I know you are enjoying and you are understanding, okay? So for you to actually access the full video solutions to that paper, you can actually subscribe and find them at discretelearning.com. We also have a mobile app that will allow you to download the videos and watch them offline. All right, so Discrete Learning is actually an institute that offers supplementary lessons in all the Premed and NS courses. So if you have any challenges with any of these courses, let's say it's biology, it's physics, it's chemistry, or it's math, we are here for you to actually make you what? Understand. Okay, so you can subscribe for any course that you're having challenges with, and then you're going to be helped to actually pass the exam easily. Okay, so for any of the courses that you're going to subscribe for here, you are going to access fully explained videos to all the tutorial sheet questions. Okay, so I know the tutorial sheets are overwhelming. They have a lot of questions and the like. We've solved each and every question from the tutorial sheet. Okay, and we've explained it step by step so that even a 10-year-old can actually understand. Okay, so you're going to access tutorial sheet solutions. You're going to access full assignment video solutions. You're going to access full videos to the past quizzes and tests that the previous intakes have had. You're going to access full videos to the final exam papers, which are very important. Okay, and to add on that, you're also going to be allowed into our weekly live classes. So these classes are held via Zoom live, where we can just get to interact with your students firsthand. Okay, so that if you have any challenges, you ask us, we explain, so that you understand. Okay, and also we are also going to allow you to consult from us. Okay, so if you're having challenges with some concept, blah 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 and blah blah blah, okay, you can actually just inbox us on any of these numbers, and we're going to what? To assist you. Okay, so now the time is moving, the exam is very soon. Okay, so if you'd like to actually register, okay, and learn with us, you're welcome to do so. So just contact any of these two numbers here, or you can actually subscribe, okay, by just watching the videos in the description of this video. Okay, so check the description in this video below. You're going to find a video that will guide you on how you can create an account on our website, as well as how you can actually pay for your desired courses. Okay, and when you pay on the website, you're going to access all these at your own time, your own pace, even in your blankets. You are going to what? To learn. Okay, so don't hesitate. Just subscribe and then you'll pass your exam easily. Okay, so for those who have actually never seen our website, okay, you've actually never seen our website, let me just show you here. So just go to Chrome or any browser of your choice, okay? And then when you go there, you're just going to type in discretelearning.com. So this is the website here, okay? This is the website here. So now, when you type in this website, just go to the website. Okay, so if you don't have an account, it will ask you to create an account. So you put in your details, you choose your university, your email, password, and the like. Once you create the account, you can actually log in here, and you can use those same details to actually log in on the what? On the mobile app, where you can download videos and watch them offline. Okay, so when you open this website, you can see the courses that we offer here. You pick any course of your choice that you want to register for. So I clicked on some course here. Okay, so if, for example, you pick math, okay, you just come and subscribe for this course and then open it and then access everything. If you picked chemistry, you can open chemistry. If it's physics, if it's math, anything. So for example, let me say you are a student from Apex. Okay, you pick maths, you can just open it. Okay, and then here inside there are folders depending on the semester where you are. If you're at Apex, so if you're at Apex first semester, use this folder. Apex second semester, this folder. If you are from Unilus, okay, the Unilus first semester, Unilus second semester. If you're from Levy, go there. And then if you're from any other university, okay, you go in this folder here, general mathematics. That's where you're going to find the things. So for example, I'm first semester Apex. I'll just open this folder. Okay, once I open the folder, you're going to see that I'm going to find a folder for topic lessons. Here it is, summarize notes, tutorial sheets and assignments, and then past papers and past quiz tests and exam papers. So here, okay, in this folder here, there are full tutorial sheet videos. So you can just go there, pick your intake, you're going to access them. Here there's some summarized notes, here there are topic lessons. Okay, so you pick whatever you want. Then if you want the past papers as you're preparing for the exam, okay, or for the quiz, for the test, just come here and click past quiz test and exam papers. Okay, so once you open, you go to the video solutions. And once you do that, voila, you'll be inside there where the videos are. And then you just pick the videos that you want to watch. Okay, so they are well labeled here. You can see if it's a test or it's an exam or if it's a quiz. And also here on top, there are these filters. So if you just want to see the papers for the past quizzes, you click there. The quizzes will appear. You can see them there. If you want the test, you click there, they will appear. If you want the exam, you click there, they will also what? Appear. So these are just exam past videos here, tests, quiz, and it's the same in all the courses. Okay, so you can actually subscribe for any of the course that you like. Okay, or the course that you're having challenges. If you want, you can actually subscribe even for chemistry. Okay, and it's the same setup. You choose your semester. So I'm Apex semester 1 today. Okay, once I open, okay, you can see topic lessons, tutorial sheets, past quiz, blah, blah, blah. Okay, if you want the papers, again, just come here. Okay, open the papers. You're going to find the papers. Okay, and then you go to the video solutions. Okay, so video solutions, you're going to find the past paper videos and the topics. So any course that you want, you're going to find the same similar setup. Okay, so don't hesitate. Okay, we have everything that you need for you guys to pass. You can subscribe and you're going to pass. So if you want to contact me, my number is 0779 96 40 and then 10. So that is Tutor Poul Solutions. Okay, and then if you just like to subscribe without the need of any of my team members, just check the links in the description here below. They're going to show you how you can do that. Okay, otherwise, I wish you all the best in your next assessment. Okay, and this has been Tutor Poul Solutions. Until next time, always there for you.